2 plus 1 times 5 squared minus 8. Let's start with the 2 plus 1. That's 3. 3 times 5 squared minus 8. We need to square that 5 so we can multiply it times 3. That would be 3 times 25 minus 8. And then 3 times 25 is 75. 75 minus 8 is 67. But that's not correct. I did not follow the order of operations. Let's go over that real quick. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally if you learned it like I did. What it means is you have to do anything in parentheses first. You have to do exponents next. Then you do all your multiplying and dividing, but you do them in order as you see them from left to right. So if a division comes up first, you do the division. Then you're allowed to add and subtract, again in order from left to right as they come up in the problem. So let's redo this one. And I don't have parentheses, but I do have an exponent, so I got to start with this. That gives me 2 plus 1 times 25 minus 8. Now I've got to do this multiplication. I cannot touch adding and subtracting until I've gotten all the multiplying and dividing cleared off. So now I have 2 plus 25, because 1 times 25 is 25, minus 8. Now I can add and subtract in order from left to right. And that's going to be 27 minus 8. And that's 19. That's a correct answer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd appreciate it if you shared the video. See you in the next one. Bye.